Alright, I'm gonna take this off. I put this one on. I finally got this to come in. It's actually beautiful. I don't like the way this one sits so high. Here's where it should sit as a stock one. But these holes are here, so the post can't go all the way through. It stops right here. It should go all the way up to about right here. So it sits lower where this little notch in the post would be. I already loosened it. Well, I stripped a bolt in this right here, so I can't get this plastic spacer out. This one is a lot wider than this, so it's definitely needs a spacer. But this one came with 3 spacers. I'm going to use one of these spacers for this. And it just fits a lot better. It actually looks sick. I like it. Okay, so these are not going to work. This hole is a lot smaller, like I said, than this one. So I think I'm just going to go metal to metal, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to put maybe a little thin piece of cardboard in there to brace it. I'm just going to use these 2 screws to screw it in right there. Alright, I got the screws in. I'm going to tighten it down. This thing's a beaut. I paid $30 for it. It's brand new. Well, I think I got it pretty snug. It looks pretty good. I like it. I really do. And it's on there sturdy. Alright. And this is the brand. Cartaoo. Whatever. Alright.